Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use shape tools in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually come here on the left hand panel and click on this icon. This will give you access to all the different shape tools. So you can select the shape you want. This one right here is a rectangle. That is what I'll use. You just go ahead and click anywhere on your page and then drag out the shape. As you can see right here we have this shape and I can change the fill color. If I click here, I can go ahead and set any color I want. So we'll use this color. Then here we have our stroke or outline, and we can change the color for that as well. We'll go ahead and use black, and we can also decide to change the size of this stroke. So we can change the width, can increase or decrease it. Of course, you can type in your custom amount. Let's do 7 points, for example. And you can also decide to round the corners as well. To do that, you just come here at the top, you click on corner. Right now it's set to none, but we can do rounded, for example. And here, as you can see, we have the corners. And you can change the percentage of the corner. So you can increase this, you can slide this up, as you can see, and now it is more curved. You can also decide to go ahead and change the size. You can just drag this out, and that is changing the size. You can decide to go ahead and lock the aspect ratio and enter a width or height manually as well. Let's do, for example, 100. And as you can see, the aspect ratio was locked. And that is how to use shape tools in Affinity Studio.